Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is your girl Andrea, Global Voice certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown. It is twilight as we approach the closing hours of Sunday in the evening, and we are getting into preparation mode. A new week, a new perspective, new goals, new tasks, new structures that we want to anticipate for the upcoming week as we close out the month of August. Yes, we are closing out the month of August here, and we are in preparation mode for the fall season. September 1st is only a few days away. And as we get into September 1st, a lot of people look at this as into the beginning stages of a new school year, a new semester, a new chapter in their life, and getting prepared for the last quarter of 2022. Do you have difficulty organizing? Do you have difficulty complying and following your time, budgeting your time, and making sure that you are getting all your tasks that you want to achieve accomplished? Do you create a list the night before? Do you have goals and a tight schedule that you adhere to and you comply to make sure that you are doing your due diligence to get the job done? Many of us have checklists and notebooks and vision boards, but are we really sticking to them? If not, you may need an accountability coach. What is an accountability coach? Well, after having over 2 decades, pardon me, of mental health and social work and psychology industries under my belt, being a certified motivational speaker, a certified professional organizer, as well as studying under Marie Kondo, the KonMari method of the Japanese decluttering of your life, I am able to help you buy back up to 40 hours per month. Yes, 40 hours per month, regardless of your status, your financial status, your role in the career industry, as well as your age. It doesn't matter. I help you budget your time so you can have a well-balanced lifestyle, balancing getting what you need to get done while also having fun. This just takes this moment for me as a coach to walk beside you and keep you intact and keep you on top of the goals that you want to achieve in a timely manner. Whether it be less or advanced, we get the job done while having fun. No excuses, just results. So if you're looking for a time manager, a timekeeper, someone who doesn't judge you, but who's there to walk beside you and achieve your goals every step of the way, you have come to the right place. Andrea Mason, and your choice to press play. Plan life according to you. Like, share, subscribe. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. And check out AndreaMasons.com website to learn more on upcoming events, opportunities, and to redeem your free gift so I can get you to the next level. Be safe, be well, bringing you daily content every single day, reminding you to follow your heart, not the herd, for success and happiness is on the other side once you choose to press play. Plan life according to you with me as your coach. I'll see you soon.